For this video, I'd like to do the character slide, kind of like how a baseball player slides onto a base. This will be used for like when there's like little like an opening, like close to the floor, where he can't really like walk through it, but he can like maybe like either crouch through it or slide. So this would be like for when the player decides to slide. So this one's going to be pretty simple. It's going to be 30 frames. So 1 second. And I'm just going to pose it, and I'm going to set the key the same on the first and last frames. So it's going to be super simple. It's going to be down. Guess he's going to be slightly tilted to one side. Maybe one foot will be out more, one foot will be in. I'm not exactly sure what it would look like. I'm just sort of guessing as I go. I'm guessing it's going to be seen mostly from the back. So I guess that would be like the most important thing, the most important view, but let's see. Just trying to create some visual interest. So maybe I'll bring this one a little bit higher. So this foot's touching the ground, but the other one's not. So that's basically it. I'm going to grab all the bones. I'm going to insert a key. Same thing here. And I'm pretty much done. I'm going to grab all the geometry of the armature, export FBX, and this will be called slide export. Now quickly save the Blender file to the same name, slide. Okay, so all I need to do now is I need to go to Blender project, copy and paste the FBX that I just created, paste it into my Unity project, assets folder, main character, animations, and paste. And in Unity, don't forget to go into the animation folder and select the animation that I just created. And this one's going to be loop time checked, because it's in the animator. I'm going to make it a blend space, and so create state, blend space, click it, I'm going to call it slide. I'm going to double click it, and then I'm going to click this, press the plus button, add motion field, and I'm going to find the slide. It's the very last one. Okay. Go back here, I'm going to create a boolean is sliding. So this one gets triggered when is sliding is true, and then oh yeah, and then it fires back when is sliding is false. And it's going to go from the regular pose. So all I need to do is code it. I'll call first I'll create a method in the update called slide and then I'll trigger the slide. I'll close all this first. Put it all the way at the bottom here. So public void slide, and I think a really good button to use would be the left shift with my pinky. So I'm going to go into project settings, go into Input Manager, and see if I can find anything that has a shift button already assigned to it. Okay, so there's the Fire 3. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to go to my vertical movement, and I want to copy this. If Fire 3 is down, and I only want it to work if running is true, so and yeah, is running equals true, then I want to set can control equals false, and I want can jump off ground to be false. Can jump off. So while he's sliding, I can't move the character around, and I can't move the character around, and I can't jump. Animator dot set bool is sliding equals true. And this up. Actually, I need to go see. Yeah, it's sliding. And I guess I want to. What's a good way to make it remove? Maybe a lerp. I can just use this. Create a float called slide speed equals 0. So shimmy, I know what shimmy speed is. Shimmy, when it's 1, it's like super slow. So here I'll put, first I'll put slide speed here, so it's constantly updating. So right, by default it's 0, so it's going forward 0. But here I can set slide speed equals 10. And what I want to do is I want to start a coroutine. So after the button is pressed, it's going to trigger stop slide. So I in narrator stop slide yield return new wait for seconds. I'll make this 2 seconds. Would be good. So after 2 seconds, I can basically just copy and paste all this and just change the values. So can control is true. Can jump off ground is true. Animator set bool is sliding is false. And slide speed is 0. So if I compile that, I'll go try it out. Oops, something is wrong. There's something wrong with this. Oh, forgot a semicolon. Okay. Try this now. So if I'm running, I press the left shift. Why did it do that? It's playing the wrong animation. Do I have the wrong animation set? Here, here. Oh, I do have wall slide. No wonder. Okay. It wasn't the last animation. It's this one that I want. So it looks like it's working. I just need to beautiful, except I can rotate it, which is no good. Why is it rotating? So one thing I have to worry about is, let's just say I've got one of these, and I was going to see here, I'm going to make it just above 1 unit. I need to set the so if I do it now, it's going to block me because I haven't set the height of, where did I put that? I don't even know where that geometry went. Let's bring it way out here. So if I go press shift, it can't go through because I haven't set the height of the character controller. Oops. So the animation's playing, but he's not going through. So what I need to do is I need to script it. First I'm just gonna, with this selected, right now it's up 1 unit. I'm gonna bring it up just a touch more, just to give myself a little bit more room. Then back in the script, I need to save. Character controller dot height equals 1. So right now it's 2. If I go here, it's 2 units high. Yeah, height 2. So when he's sliding, it's going to be set to 1. And character controller dot center. Right now, it's 1 unit in the Y. So the center of it is 1 unit up. I want it halfway up. So it's going to be 1 unit high, but the center is going to be half a unit. So center is going to equal new vector 3, 0, 0.5 in the Y, and then 0 for the Z. So I'm going to copy and paste. After this I enumerator hits, it sets back to height of 2, and the center goes back to 1. So hopefully this works. Cross my fingers. goes right through. Beauty. Make sure just to be, just double check that can't walk through anymore because the caps or the character controller capsule is back to normal size. Try this once more. Boom, but he goes way too far. So I'm gonna the I numerator, instead of doing 2 seconds, I'll do 1 second. Or maybe I can keep it 2 seconds, but instead of making slide speed 10, which is pretty big, if you compare it to the shimmy, that's 10 times faster than the ledge shimmy. So what if I went 5 times faster? Okay, it's taking forever to compile. Okay. It still goes really far. That's still a little bit too far. I'll try 3. Slide speed equals 3. It's not bad. I think that's pretty much it for this. Yeah, compared to the ledge, this is working really well. The ledge is not working very well at all. I may leave out the ledge in the game if I decide to make a game. That's pretty much it for this. Yeah, there's going to be more future videos. There's going to be, let's see, what do I have? So there's a crouch that I want to do. I'm thinking of doing a vault. I want to do maybe some grappling. When he's like setting out like some sort of like magical like hand that pulls him towards a ledge or something, kind of like in Darksiders 2. And I also want to scale the wall. If you've played Darksiders 2, the main player can scale a wall if it has certain binds on it. So that'd be kind of cool. So those are videos for me to work on in the future. For this slide, I think I'm pretty much done with it. I think I can't really think of anything else that I can add to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it, and please be on the lookout. I'm almost done doing all the functional stuff. So after I'm finished with creating all like functionality, I'm going to start putting together the levels. So if you've been following along, hope you guys stick around because soon I'll be creating more art assets to make this look kind of funky. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in future videos.